Wait. Is n8n version 2 already dead? And this new tool provides you with better flexibility and far better features. But before you rush to switch your automation platform, stick with me till the end because I'm about to tell you something that might change how you think about your automation tools. Hey there, Mayush, and me and our team has been building automation from a very long time. We have used almost each and every automation tools that are present in the market, depending on the use cases. And in this video, I'm about to tell you guys the real world difference that we have discovered between n8n and Pipedream while building automation for our clients. Everyone thinks Pipedream is code heavy and n8n is just visual only. But in reality, they both have visual builders and their code capabilities. Pipedream also have pre-built actions, visual workflow, and drag and drop features just like n8n. And n8n has code node, where you can just drop your JavaScript and Python script whenever you need a custom logic. So if they both have visual and code capabilities, what's the difference? That's where things get really interesting. Now, stick with me because the last point will give you the most clarity. Here's one thing most developers will like in Pipedream. In Pipedream, let's say I need to parse a HTML. And now instead of handling all the things all by myself, I can just import a library which will do all the things for me. Now, for that in Pipedream, I don't need to install any npm packages or handle any package.json files. Pipedream just handles it all by itself automatically. Just import it in your code and it's ready to go. Now, n8n's own documentation says if you're using n8n Cloud, you can't import any external npm modules in your code. But if you think n8n have lost this round, just stick with me. But if you have self-hosted n8n, you get unlimited access of npm modules. But you will have to configure those environment variables that are present in your Docker where you have posted your n8n. We had a project recently where we needed to pull data from 6 different APIs, transform those data, apply custom business rules, and push those data to their multiple CRMs. Now for this, we used Pipedream. Why? Because we needed specialized npm packages for this. Talking about data transformation and using Axios, it was only possible in Pipedream. Let's talk about how you build workflows, because in both platforms, it feels a little different. Pipedream uses a linear structure, so the data flows through a step objects. Now you can branch them with conditional logic like if-else split, but overall, it stays linear. On the other hand, n8n uses a tree-based structure. This is where it gets a little powerful. It means you have multiple branches now, which can run simultaneously. Want to process your data in multiple ways and then merge them to get the result? n8n Graph will handle this. Now to be fair, in Pipedream, you can also achieve parallel execution using JavaScript or Python. But in n8n, it's built in. It's built in into its workflow structure. Now let's talk about money. Pipedream charges by compute time. Your workflow with 50 steps uses the same credit as your workflow with 5 steps, only if they're using the same compute time. Basically, 30 seconds of compute time equals to 1 credit. Now n8n charges per execution. 1 workflow runs equals to 1 execution, regardless of how many steps are there. And if you self-hosted, it is completely free for you. But you will still have to bear the server price. The only trade-off is you will have to set up and manage all of it. When it comes to debugging, Pipedream will always be my go-to. You get well-defined errors and logs, which makes the troubleshooting way easier. So, does Pipedream have the capability to kill n8n? No. They're solving different problems, and it all depends on the use case. When should you use n8n and when should you use Pipedream? Both platforms have their visual builders with their code capabilities. So you should not fall for that Pipedream is only for developers and n8n is for non-developers. That's not accurate. At the end of the day, it all depends on the use case and the problem you are solving. We build custom web application and automation to fast forward your workflow. Now the consultation link will be in the description. You can have your first free appointment from there. And if you like the video, give us a like, subscribe if it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.